there! In today's video, I'll show you how to clean your AirPods 4. Let's get started. So as a first step, let's talk about the safety. So as a first step, never ever think of using liquids to clean your earbuds because they are not waterproof and this can cause really big damage. Second thing, even worse, never think of dipping them in any type of cleansing liquid because they are not waterproof. Also, don't use any sharp objects, and if you are using, for example, alcohol, be really careful with it. So to clean your gadget, you can take any gadget wipes or alcohol wet wipes, but make sure that they are not too wet so the liquid is just dripping from them. Today I'm using the gadget wipes, which looks like this. They are not wet, they completely dry, but you can use also alcohol wipes, but again, make sure that they are not too wet. And now we can get started. So let's imagine that this wipe is a little bit wet, so we will be really careful with the charging port and any holes that we can see on the case. So let's start with the case from the outside. We can clean it just like this, being carefully, and remove the dirt or dust that we can see here. And here, as you can see, we got the charging port and also speakers, so let's go around them. And we can also make it a little bit smaller to clean this little gap here, like this. And now let's move on to the inside of the case. Here usually you'll see any dirt and dust on this edge, which is a little bit lower than the other part of the case, and also here inside where are your earbuds always. So now we just can do it like this. We can go safely here because the contacts are only at the bottom of the holes, so we can clean it like this. And this is it, we have successfully cleaned the case from inside and outside. Now we can move on to the AirPods by itself. So if we will take a look, we can see here a few speakers, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. And we would need to also go really slowly around them, so accidentally not to get any liquid in there. So I'll fold my wipe so it can be a little bit thinner and start with cleaning of the earbud. I'll go slowly around the speakers, so let's do it. And then also don't forget about the leg of your earbud. Now we can do the same process with the second one and your cleaning process will be complete. And this is it. Now your earbuds are completely clean, and that was it for today. I hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching.